and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another testing video. This time it's going to be a new mascara. This is Snapscara from Maybelline. This is a very quick video. If you would like to know what my thoughts are on this Maybelline Snapscara, I keep saying this wrong. Snapscara. Who thinks of these names, really? Anyway, if you like my thoughts on the Maybelline Snapscara mascara, just keep on watching. Alright, don't remember how much I paid for this. Let's have a look. So the Snapscara originally is $7.99 and I think that's how much I paid for it. However, it is currently on offer for $5.99 on Superdrug. It says to be not clumpy, not flaky, not tough to take off, and not messy. On the official Maybelline site, it says Snapscara washable mascara, which is kind of scary because if I cry today or something, I'm worried that this will like run down my face. I know it's not waterproof, but washable mascara, what if it's like not good enough? Do you know what I mean? Smooth, clean, volume and defined lashes. On and off in a snap. Not clumpy, not flaky, not just mascara. New Snapscara, the best no flake mascara. Ooh, benefits! Meet a new generation of mascara. Snapscara is our first pigment wax-free mascara that features a zero hassle, no clump formula that glides on smooth for clean volume and defined lashes all day. Easily remove this game-changing mascara with a cotton pad and warm water. It's never tough to take off. You will never need to rub or experience those dreaded raccoon eyes. Apply this non-clumping mascara from outer to inner lash with smooth strokes. Keep building volume as desired. Allow the mascara to dry. To remove, splash the eye area with warm water and softly massage to remove, or apply makeup remover to a cotton square to lift off the eye area. So basically, it is super easy to take off. I will have to do my normal like check-in to see that because I am leaving the house. I've got something in my eye. By the way, if you want this makeup look, it is coming on Sunday. Just saying. I am testing something in that video. So the mascara one looks like this. It's like a wonky cone. It doesn't snap anywhere like Snapscara. I immediately thought this will be like Maybelline's version of the infallible snap thing mascara that I've done a test on, but it's not. Actually, let's give it a fair chance. I will curl my lashes and apply the Snapscara.
One eternity later.
I mean, it worked, but I need volume, and there's like no volume. I think I would like this for my bottom lashes, although again, because this is so easy to take off, I would be scared that it would run down my face. Shall I compare it to the Lash Paradise, which is my fave? Should I use the same mascara on this eye, or shall I compare it to Lash Paradise? Quickly, just let me know, quickly, go on. I mean, I like it. It did make my lashes black. It did give them a little bit of a lift, but I need volume in my lashes. I did not actually read the claims before I bought this. The clump free is something that's not interesting to me. I actually don't mind the clumps. I like clumpy lashes. Lash Paradise, my all-time fave. I was actually in the store wanting to buy a new Lash Paradise, but they were all open and I don't fancy an eye infection, so I didn't buy the Lash Paradise. I bought this thinking, you know, I'll try it out. I mean, you can immediately see that Lash Paradise just gives me more body. Like that maybe. Can you see? These are like spidery legs, kind of long but nothing there. This is like a nice full lash. So I'm just going to add more mascara on this side. Yep, fixed it a little bit. Snapscara, you're alright, but it didn't blow my socks off. I know this video was like extremely quick and the Snap mascara was, in my eyes, a pass. However, if you do have a lot of lashes and you only want them to be lengthened and you don't like clumpy mascaras, this is quite a decent mascara. And I really like the shape because it kind of helps you to get that lift. So it's not a bad mascara, it's just doesn't do enough for me personally. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.